Welcome sa zip9.com. This video ay tutuloy natin yung ating series on laws of exponents. No? So kung sinusundan nyo itong series natin, medyo marami-rami na tayo na pag-aralan. No? Ito yung mga napag-aralan natin. We have a raised to m times a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. And then we have a raised to m over a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Ang a to the 0 is equal to 1, tsaka a to the negative m is equal to 1 over a to the m. Medyo marami-rami na yan. Marami na tayong solve ng mga problems, no, and the exercises. And in this video, ang gagawin natin is to study this, no? Ano naman pag meron tayong exponent, no? Isang expression na may exponent, tapos we raise it to another exponent, no? Bago natin aralin to, let's recall the exponential notation. Pag sinabi natin x cubed, ano ibig sabihin nun, di ba? We have 3 x's as factors, di ba? Tatlong x's. X's pa kung anong isipin yung x's. X's, x. Ibig sabihin maraming x. So, kaya minsan hindi ko nilalagyan ng s kasi baka hindi maintindihan. 3x na lang. 3x as factors, you multiply the 3x's, no? And ito exponent yan, 1, no? X to the first power times x to the first power times x to the first power. Pero paano naman pag x squared cubed? Ibig sabihin nun? So, ibig sabihin, tatlong beses o tatlong factors ng x squared, no? So, x squared times x squared times x squared. So, ganito yon, no? So, malinaw, no? Tatlong beses o tatlong beses nito yung minumultiply natin. So, ibig sabihin, we have x squared. Let's take this as our first example. Cubed equals x squared times x squared times x squared. No? But from the first law of exponent, yung una natin pinag-aralan, actually wala namang number yan, no? In order na lang siguro sa pinag-aralan natin. If we have the same base, we add the exponent. No? So, same base tayo, x. Exponent natin tatlong 2. So, x raised to the 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to x to the 6th. So, x squared cubed is actually equal to x to the 6th. Let's give another example. Y cubed to the 4th. So, y cubed to the 4th. Apat na beses na yung y cubed, no? Y cubed times y cubed times y cubed times y cubed. So, this is equal to y to the 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And then this is equal to y to the 12th power. So, y cubed raised to the 4th power is equal to y to the 12th power. And I think obvious na, no? Obvious na we are adding the exponents, no? And repeated addition to, no? Ano nga ulit yung repeated addition? Di ba multiplication siya? So, actually, 2, 3 naging 6, 3, 4 naging 12. So, you're actually just multiplying the exponents kasi ina-add natin siya na number of times 4. Yung 3, you add 3 4 times. You add 3/4. Apat na tagtatatlo, you're actually multiplying 4 and 3. No? So, ibig sabihin, a raised to m, quantity raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. So, minimultiply natin ang exponent. If I have an expression with an exponent, no, and we raise it to another exponent, then we just have to multiply the exponents. No? So, ito yung ating illustration. Let's have some examples. Number 3 na natin. 6 cubed to the 5th, kunwari. So, gagawin pa ba natin ito? Hindi na, no? Kasi na-establish natin yung rule. Just multiply the exponents. So, 6 raised to the 15. So, gusto nyo bang expand? Hindi na, no? Okay na yan, no? Ang gusto lang naman natin ipakita that we are multiplying the exponents. Number 4, we have m to the 8th raised to the 4th. So, ano yun? M to the 32, di ba? And then number 5, we have 4y times y cubed raised to the 6th power. So this is equal to 4y. Wala naman tayong binago dito. Ito yung magbabago. This becomes y to the 3 times 6, di ba? 18th. And y times y to the 18th. Ano ang sabi natin pag walang exponent? We have 1 here, no? As an exponent. So 1 tsaka 18, 19. So magiging 4y raised to the 19th. No? Number 6, we have, ito na yung last example natin. Medyo maiksi itong video natin. No? So negative 8 p to the 4th cubed divided by p squared divided by 2p squared. Okay, so again, from mga previous examples natin, anong ginagawa natin? Di ba? Pinagsasama natin yung mga numbers, tsaka pinagsasama rin natin yung variables, no? Para mas madali tayo mag-simplify. So, pwede natin pagsamahin yung negative 8 tsaka 2. So, this is equal to negative 8 over 2 times what is p raised to the 4th quantity raised to the 3rd power, 12, diba? Over
you can choose first, then tap or say delete.
p squared. Nagsalita si Bixby, yung aking assistant, no? Yung assistant ng Samsung. Akala niya Bixby yung tinatawag ko, hindi naman siya. So, negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. And then p raised to the 12 divided by 2 is by this law, yung pangalawang pinag-aaralan natin, we just subtract p to the 12 minus 2, which is equal to negative 4p to the 10th power. No? Okay, that's it. I think this is a very easy rule. No? Just multiply the exponents pag meron tayong expression with an exponent and then raise to another exponent. So, ito yung addition natin dito. No? So, that's it. I hope may natutunan kayo dito sa video natin. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung mga videos ng Sipnayan. No? Pwede nyo yung share sa mga kaibigan nyo. And as of this writing, meron na tayong more than 800 videos. No? As of this recording pala. You can type Sipnayan, no? And then kung pupunta kayo sa YouTube, youtube.com, type nyo lang yung Sipnayan and then kung ano yung gusto nyo topic. So, Sipnayan, laws of exponents, Sipnayan, algebraic expressions, Sipnayan, linear functions. Meron tayo niyan, no? Kailangan marunong kayo maghanap, no? At syempre, tignan nyo yung logo natin, no? At I think alam nyo naman yung itsura ng ating whiteboard, no? Pag nakita nyo yung kanyang thumbnail, no? So, explore lang kayo, madami tayo, no? And punta kayo sa sipnayan.com, nandyan yung mga listahan natin ng videos, no? Kung gusto nyo ng nakasunod-sunod na listahan, punta kayo dito sa website na to. Ina-update ko yan from time to time and nandyan yung naka-organize yung mga videos, no? Nandyan yung mga links, kaya mas kung gusto nyo sundan yung isang series kasi marami tayong series, no? Okay, so pwede nyo rin puntahan yung Facebook page natin, facebook.com/sipnayanph. Usually, nagbibigay ako ng ng problems. So, ang madaling problems lang naman. At syempre, subscribe kayo sa YouTube channel natin kasi marami tayong mga ina-upload. No? Halos every week, 5 to 10 videos yan every week. See you in the next tutorial.